Hey everybody, if you're like me, you get tired of retouching. I found this really cool program. It's called Evoto. I'm not really sure how they say it, but it works tremendously and it works quickly. There's presets, they come with it, or you can make your own presets, or you can just start from scratch. Let me show you how quick this is. We're just going to pull some of this acne off, freckles, and you can zoom in on a picture just by rolling your mouse. Forehead wrinkles, if there are any, you can pull them off. The eyes, you can do dark circles under the eyes, eye bags. You can control how much is taken off. The smile lines, if you want to smooth that up a little bit around there. Lip wrinkles, women love this, absolutely love it. Neck wrinkle, you pull it all the way, take some of those wrinkles out. Double chin, it'll pull that up. And there's all, like I said, there's all kinds of things you can do with this. You can dodge and burn the face so it looks more uniform. Dodge and burn again. You can do, there's so much. Soften the skin. I don't think it needs any more softening. You can unify the face complexion so it's more one tone. So much skin radiance. If you want to give some nice color to the skin, you can do that. You take away whatever you want to do. You can change the facial expression, do anything. Teeth, you can touch them up. The eyes, you can make them bigger, brighter, whatever you want to do with them. It's really kind of fun. If there are glasses, that glass glare works phenomenal. Hair, I love this part of this. You can always take out stray hairs. Just pull this over and look at that. The stray hairs are gone. Absolutely amazing. I love this program. It'll save you a ton of time. Get it, download it, buy tokens for it. It's well worth it.